Now class third C. Class third C. Subject GSC. Date 7/10/11/2020. So we are studying. We have to revise today. Lesson 11, light and sound. Lesson 11, light and sound. Light and sound. And reading was over, so we have to solve the worksheet 11. Worksheet 11. So we have to see the fill in the blanks. A. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So first, the is the natural source of light. So what we fill here? The is the natural source of light. So here you have to write the first, the sun. The sun is the natural source of light. So first you have to fill sun. Sun is the natural source of light. Now second, light enable us to things around us. Light enables us to see the things around us. Light enables us to see things around us. Second, you have to fill the C. And third, can travel through air, water and solid things. Can travel through air, water and solid things. So which thing can travels? So that one is the sound can travel through air, water and solid things. So third, you have to fill about the sound. Sound. And fourth, when an object it makes sound. What will be filled there? When an object vibrates, it makes sound. When an object vibrates, it makes sound. And fifth, shadows fall on the opposite side of light source. A shadow is found on the opposite side of the light source. So once again we have to see, fill the blanks. First, the sun is the natural source of light, and second, light enables us to see things around us, and third, sound can travel through air, water and solid things. And fourth, when an object vibrates, it makes sound. And fifth, a shadow is formed on the opposite side of the light source. So now next we have to see, take the right answer. Now B. Take the right answer. Take the right answer. Take the right answer. So first, this is needed to make a shadow. This is needed to make a shadow. Three options are given. A, light, B, sound, and C, force. Three options are there. First, light, second, sound, and third, force. What thing is needed to make the shadow? So first, light is needed to make a shadow. So first, you have to take the light. And second, whispering is a unpleasant sound, hard sound, or soft sound. Whispering is a unpleasant sound, hard sound, or soft sound. So whispering is a soft sound. Second, soft sound. And third, chirping. Chirping of birds is a, three options are given: unpleasant sound, hard sound, or pleasant sound. Three options are given: unpleasant sound, hard sound, or the pleasant sound. So here correct option will be pleasant sound. Pleasant sound. And fourth, it may make a person hard of hearing. Now next you see, it may make a person hard of hearing. Three options are there: soft sound, noise, and pleasant sound. So here noise is the correct option. Noise may make a person hard of hearing. Once again we have to see. So take the right answer. This is needed to make a shadow. So three options are there: light, sound, and the force. So light will be correct option. And next, whispering is a, three options given: unpleasant sound, hard sound, and soft sound. Three options are given: unpleasant sound, hard sound, and soft sound. So here soft sound will be correct option. Now third, chirping of bird is a, three options given: unpleasant sound, hard sound, and a pleasant sound. What will be correct option? That is a pleasant sound. And fourth you see, It may make a person hard of hearing. 3 options are given: soft sound, noise, and a pleasant sound. So here noise will be correct option. So this is A and B. Now we have to see few questions of section C. Answer the following. Answer the following. What will happen if there is no light? What will happen if there is no light? You know that answer? We will not be able to see the object in absence of light. In absence of light, we will not be able to see the things around us. Next, what are luminous objects? Give 2 examples. What are luminous objects? You know that objects that give out light of their own. The objects that give out light of their own are called luminous objects. As examples of luminous objects: sun, lighted candles, and a glowing bulb, etc. Now next question, we have to see what are non-luminous objects. Give 2 examples. So non-luminous objects that do not give out light are called non-luminous objects. Objects that do not give out light are called non-luminous objects, as so many things are there: chair, table, furniture, bricks, etc., etc. Now next question: how is sound made? How is sound made? Name some pleasant and unpleasant sound. Sound is made by the vibration of the object. Sound is made by vibration of object, and the examples of some pleasant sound as the chirping of the birds and many songs, and unpleasant sound, that is the horn of or the train, sound from the aircraft, sound from the train, sound for the sparkles. So these are the examples of the unpleasant sound. What is noise? So noise is loud, unpleasant, and unexpected sound. So that's for today. Thank you.